Alrighty. Shawanga Ridge. Here we go. That could have been me. Oh, hello.
Hey there.
Enjoy your day. These are our favorite mountains. This is when you go to the Catskills, you know, when they say, who's your daddy? They say the Shawangas. The gunks are my daddy. All those Catskill peaks. Some will get the joke. Some will put me on Facebook. Some will be upset. And I don't really, you know me, here for the fun, not for the drama. But I fucking can't avoid the drama. As Eminem said, drama setter, or Obi Trice, one of them. All right, enjoy the nature. Oh yeah, this is a 3-mile loop. You always start to the left and go to the right. It starts off up, 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 but get it out of the way. Enjoy the peak, and then come back down, and then go eat something green. Say something for the camera there, for your fans. Hello. Is there a beach up there?
Yeah, there's a little creek.
No, yeah, we're local. We know the area. Yeah, yeah.
Right
Yeah. Enjoy your day, guys. Have a good one. And there's that hill. Shit's up creek. This is a long 3 minutes. All I do is 3-minute clips now. Wasting all those videos, posting 20 minutes, so enjoy the spam. Let's see what our longitude, latitude is. West, always going the wrong way.